Hey, good evening, folks. This is another daily review video of the S Group investment company here. This is review video number 4. This is basically a continuation of a series of videos I did back in late 2020 when I actually started with the system. As you can see, I got a good chunk of change up in here. I've been doing this for about a year and a half, just over a year and a half now at the time of this video, which is May 12th, 2022. And we just got our daily bot notification saying that we got paid today. So if you go here, this is how much I made today. The percentage of the trade earning is 0.44%. And I made $43.64 today, guys. All on autopilot for doing absolutely nothing. Just having money in the system, basically, in the Forex foreign exchange market. So this is what I have now. If you've been following my videos, you can see my earnings have grown. My all-time earnings now is I'm over $9,101. Put into perspective, like it says in the description down below, I had $5,000 in April of 2021. It's now May of 2022, and this is what my account looks like, guys. I haven't put any more money in there. It's just been running on autopilot. And so this is S Group. Like, it's a British investment company. You put your money into different facets within the company, and the account just works on autopilot for you. So if you go into investments, this is the back office here. I'll explain this in a little bit here, but I have money invested in Forex market. So this is the money that's working on autopilot. Kind of went through this in one of the last videos, but I'll kind of quickly go over it again. S Pharmaceutical, this is investing in medical cannabis or CBD oils. SIPO, this is investing in different IPOs, intellectual property in terms of the stock market. And liquidity mining is their own currency that they have, which is on another market as well. So yeah, basically the way this company works is you put money in the company and it just automatically makes money for you. And then over time you can do withdrawal, which is underneath the finance section. Under the withdrawal tab, you just type in the amount you want to withdraw. It goes into your own wallet that they have. Enter the amount you want to withdraw, hit withdrawal, and yeah, that's how you take money out and you can use it. Basically, transfer it from, say, a wallet that you have online that is linked to your checking account, and you can get the money that way, guys. A lot of different ways to get the money. You can link it to a debit card. Soon they're going to be having their own prepaid debit card, which is actually linked to an account out in Dubai. So it's going to be exciting coming in the near future. So this is, replenish is if you actually want to put money from your wallet in the system here, so you can actually invest your money, and then exchange is if you want to exchange between tokens and USD cash, which is the two different currencies they have within the back office here. This little section here is called transfer to user, so you can actually transfer money to other users. So to help people out. If maybe it's someone's birthday, you can send them money, and then they can invest in whatever market they want to get involved in, whether it's like Forex, medical cannabis, IPO, or liquidity mining. So this is basically the general back office, guys. Once you get into careers, you can actually start building your own team, which I'm in the process of doing. So if this all looks good for you guys, shoot me an email. Click on the link in the description below. You'll see my sign-up link, which would be a part of my team. I'll even give you the little calculator. There's like a projection calculator, which is right here. You enter in the amount you have. You enter in the rough percentage, which is about 10 to 12% per month. As you can see, you could see monthly projected earnings and how much money you'll have over 1, 2, and 3 year terms. So it's really exciting, guys. So just doing these daily 5-minute review videos to give you guys a little scope on S Group investment company. If you heard about it and you're just looking for some more information, just shoot me an email. My email and all the information's in the description down below. The sign up link, like I said, is in the description down below. So sign up on my team. I'll walk you through everything. maybe do a phone call and we can get to know each other and we can make money together. So that concludes my 5-minute daily review video. And yeah, see you guys on the next video. Thank you.